Impact drivers are designed to drive screws repeatedly. Unlike cordless drills, they have more power and torque, making them more effective at continuous use. Most of the impact drivers on the market look the same, but there are slight differences in power, speed, torque, battery life, and ergonomics. There are numerous options for cheap impact driver, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable impact driver from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Impact Driver Kit. Our testing team found that this 20-volt cordless impact driver from DEWALT was the most comfortable, efficient, and easy to throttle. Not only did the brushless motor succeed at driving and removing medium and small screws, but it also performed better than expected at driving wood screws longer than 2 inches into wood studs. The only user experience drawback to this model is the noise level, which clocked around 88 decibels at medium speed. That's about 8 decibels louder than the DEWALT Max XR. Number 2. DEWALT 20V Max XR Impact Driver. During testing, our team found that the XR version of the DEWALT 20V brushless impact driver exceeded performance expectations and was quieter than expected. It reached only 80 decibels at medium speed. Unlike the 20V Max, the 20V Max XR includes a manual speed switch, a nice feature for those that dislike the gradual trigger speed control that most impact drivers offer, although the XR was fairly easy to handle. Number 3. Makita XDT13118V Cordless Impact Driver Kit. Our testers were particularly impressed with how comfortable and powerful this 18-volt brushless impact driver was. It did not excel at driving wood screws over 2 inches long, but was extremely fast and easy to control when driving and removing smaller screws into wood studs. The team found the powerful lithium-ion battery to be long-lasting, and especially liked that a fully discharged battery recharged in less than 2 hours. Though very comfortable to handle during our in-lab tests, this model is somewhat heavy, a factor worth considering if you plan on using it for extended periods. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Impact Driver Kit. Our testing team found this brushed motor impact driver excelled at medium-duty jobs, such as driving screws smaller than 2 inches in length through hardwood. We also found that the battery included a handy LED indicator. The unit felt slightly off balance with the battery attached, and this BLACK+DECKER model ranked on the upper end of noisy. Our testing measured it at 88 decibels at medium speed. Number 5. Milwaukee 2691 2218V Compact Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. In testing, we found that this 18-volt brushless impact driver from Milwaukee struggled to drive larger, thicker screws into wood studs. However, it performed as expected at driving smaller screws into 2x4 beams, as well as extracting screws. The battery charge time was faster than the other models we tested. The operating volume of just 70 decibels was relatively quiet, and a cordless drill was included. These factors made this kit stand out from similarly priced competitors. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.